to fill the letters. Okay, I will give it to you. You have to sing. Okay, please. Okay, do it. Today we have visited 7 places as swimming pool, fun fair, library, museum, theater, cafe, and then shopping center. You have more and flags. Yes, you have to watch. Books, what is it? Yes, alright. Is this? How would it be? Library, yes? Great. Sit down. I did it. Take. Okay, second group. Second group. Okay, shoulder stick. Great.
Yes, guys, I have
Shopping center. Great. Where is the shopping center?
Yes,
Tonight. Okay. 1, 2, great. Next group. Yes. Enjoy.
I enjoy listening to
Great. Sit down. Enjoy listening. Yes.